Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, we will review one of Hikvision's newest products, the Turbo HD Camera DS-2CE10KF0T-LPFS. It's a camera with 3K resolution that features Smart Hybrid Light with ColorVu. We'll discuss the features and advantages of this camera, as well as demonstrate the image quality it produces. Okay, let's start by unboxing the camera first. First of all, let's open the box. Here, we'll find a drill template sticker, then we'll get a manual book, a set of screws and fishers, and most importantly, we'll receive one unit outdoor camera DS-2CE10KF0T-LPFS. So overall, we'll get one piece of drill template, one manual book, a set of screws and fishers, and one camera unit. Now, let's take a closer look at the features and advantages of this camera. This camera has a high-definition lens with a 3K resolution or equivalent to 5 MP. Additionally, this camera also has a very large aperture of f1.0. With a large aperture, it allows more light to enter the camera, enabling it to record clear and bright images, even in low light or nighttime conditions. This camera has two lens focal length options, 2.8mm and 3.6mm. The camera I'm reviewing uses a 3.6mm focal lens, which has a horizontal field of view of 94 degrees, vertical 50 degrees, and diagonal 112 degrees. If you want a wider field of view, you can choose the 2.8mm type. To get the ideal field of view, this camera can adjust its mounting angle according to your preference. This camera can be slid left or right up to 360 degrees, tilted up to 90 degrees, and rotated up to 360 degrees. Furthermore, for nighttime lighting flexibility and intelligence, this camera is equipped with two additional lighting types, IR and white light. We can choose one of them or use both in a smart hybrid light scenario. In the smart hybrid light scenario, the camera will use IR as the main illumination, and white light will turn on when there is human or vehicle movement, resulting in color imaging with clearer details. Next, this camera is also equipped with a button used to switch video output modes. It supports 4 signal output modes, namely TVI, AHD, CVI, and CVBS. To switch modes, simply press and hold the button for 5 seconds, then the output signal will change to another mode. It's important to note that this camera also comes with an internal mic or built-in mic, which can record sound with decent quality. For its casing, this camera uses plastic material, although it already has an IP67 protection level, which means it's resistant to water and dust. So those are some of the outstanding features of the Hikvision camera, DS-2CE10KF0T-LPFS. In conclusion, the Hikvision camera, DS-2CE10KF0T-LPFS is very impressive with its comprehensive features, excellent image quality both day and night, and reliable performance. With its various advantages, this camera is priced very affordably, at only around $60. Alright, we believe this video review is sufficient. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.